Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to set tab position in Word document. Let me open my on-screen keyboard, and whenever you press the tab it will be jump to the 1 inch. So how you can change it to 0.05 inches. So for this you need to click on this home, and in the paragraph group you need to click on this small arrow and you will be routed to the paragraph dialog box. And in the indent and spacing you will see that tab at the bottom of the dialog box. Click on that, and here is you can set the default tab stops. Right now it is 1 inch, and you can make it 0.5 if you want to make it 2, and you can set the alignment to the left, center, right, or you can also set the leader. Right now it is none, and you can set 2, 3 and 4. It's up to you. So right now I'm selecting none and click OK to proceed. And now press the tab, and here you can see that it is 0.5 inches jumping now. And again go to the paragraph and go to the tabs, and if you want to make it 1.5 inch and click OK, and now you will see that it will be jumped to the 1.5 inch now. Click tab, here you can see that it is jumping 1.5 inch now. So this way you can easily set tab position in Microsoft Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.